Pwede gaano po ka-helpful itong 5 na breathalyzer na binigay po ng LTO sa inyo?
Well, let me give you the context, no. Just recently, we had an annual assessment, no, with our peace in order and our public safety index. Yung peace in order kasi, these are all yung 8 focus crime natin. And for 2025, bumaba naman lahat yun. Yung 8 focus crime, that's homicide, murder, physical injuries, rape, no, robbery, theft. But for the public safety index, which comprise itong mga vehicular traffic accident, continuous ang pagtaas. And recently, no, talagang dito sa pagtaas ng public safety index natin, nakikita natin na tumataas din yung mga homicide and physical injuries as a result of vehicular traffic accident or incident. So, nung nireport namin kay Ma'am Gobian, sinabi niya na anong kailangan natin. Ma'am, based din dito sa data natin, ang dami nating nahuhuli. Ang dami nating napapailan ng kaso. But unfortunately, we lack the very basic equipment, that is breathalyzer, para ma-prosecute natin yan. Kasi with the advent of the drunk driving law, no, which mandate police officers to subject these suspicious, suspected drunk drivers to a breathalyzer, wala po kami noon. So what we do, dinadala namin sa medical officer of government hospital, but recently hindi na tinatanggap yan because of that law. So naturally, yung mga pinapile nating kaso, nadi-dismiss. So with this capability, we can expect na marami na tayong mahuhuli, marami na tayong mapapakulong na nagpa-violate ng any traffic violations resulting into accidents that claim the life, injure itong mga road users natin and damage to property as well. So kaya na natin yan. And sabi nga ng ating mahal na regional director ng LTO, this is the first batch. They will give us another batch of breathalyzer machine.